Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete, step-by-step tutorial on how to add an EBT card to your Amazon account so you can use it to purchase eligible grocery items online. Let's jump right into it. First, log into your Amazon account. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner to open the Account and Lists drop-down menu. In the right-hand column under your account, click Account. This will take you to your main Amazon account dashboard. Look through the available options and find your payments. Click on it to open your payment methods and wallet. Once the payments page loads, scroll down and look for the section related to EBT. If EBT payments are available for your account and location, you should see an option such as Add an EBT card. Click on it to continue. A pop-up window will appear asking for your card information. Enter the requested details, such as your EBT card number and name on card. Make sure the information is correct, then click the button to add your card. After your EBT card has been added, you can shop for groceries that are marked as SNAP EBT eligible. Add the eligible products to your cart and continue to checkout. At checkout, select your EBT card and review the items and payment amount. If some items or charges aren't eligible for SNAP benefits, Amazon may require another payment method for the remaining amount. Follow the instructions on the screen and enter your EBT PIN when prompted. For your security, never share your PIN with anyone. And that's it. You now know how to add an EBT card and use it for eligible purchases on Amazon. Keep in mind that EBT availability and eligible products can vary depending on your location. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.